Today we present CAT-RRT, motion planning that admits contact one link at a time. Operating in real-world environments often means making contact with objects. However, most motion planning approaches are designed around the binary nature of collision checking, which invalidates contact. While previous works build a search tree by exploring free space with a cost for the whole arm, we use a per-link cost heuristic that builds a tree while assigning costs to every link individually. The cost is calculated based on the repulsive vectors from the obstacles and the direction towards a randomly sampled state. CAT-RRT generates trajectories through low-cost areas associated with free space, and through high-cost areas associated with contact, as shown in the following real-life demonstration. Using CAT-RRT, the robot can move toward the block while making contact with a nearby balloon. This kind of contact is harmless, especially with software-compliant objects, and enables the robot to complete its task.